How to lock Cash App debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock Cash App debit card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. After that, go to the bottom menu and look for the card option. The option may also be moved to a new place due to a recent update on Cash App, so tap on the bank icon and you will land on the Money section of the app. From there, tap on the card icon, which is normally found somewhere here on the top of the page. Once you do that, this page appears where there is some information about the card. Also, at the bottom of the page, there is an option named Lock Card. As you can see, the option is here. There is a toggle button next to the option. Currently, the toggle button is turned off. You have to toggle it on. Make sure you tap on it. Once you tap on it, the feature is turned on. To turn it off, you have to tap on it again and it will be turned off. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to lock Cash App debit card.